Hello, hello. Um, uh, hello. Uh, hello. 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 Uh, hello. 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 So basically, we are going to solve the resonance module, which I got from my friend who is an JE aspirant. Yeah. So we will be solving some of the questions, some of the good questions. Should we solve exercise 1 of the module, or you know what, should I just skip it and go for the exercise 2? Bilkul. Exercise 2. So let's solve the question. Okay. So in the question it states that in the expansion of, so this is the expansion, okay. Crazy, not bad. So this is the expression which they have given to us. They are asking that in the when we expand this expansion, when we expand this binomial equation, we have to find the term containing the same powers, you have to find the term which is containing the same power. You understand the question? So basically अगर मैं उसको expand कर दिया, a और b का पावर बराबर होना चाहिए, Okay. Oh shit, my bad. My bad. Oh shit. रुको भाई. I'll just create a new one, okay? Oh, it got glitched. I'll write the question again. No worries. So we will be solving some of the good questions of the resonance module. So first question is, yeah, I'm writing the question again. So this is the expansion which they have given to us, plus 3b root a 21. Okay, this is the equation which they have given. We have to find the term containing the powers, the powers of a and b equal, so let's think how to approach this. So let us write the general term. So the general term for any kind of expansion is given by, for any kind of an expansion is given by NCR. Okay, preceding term is obtained NCR x to the power n minus r y to the power r. Here what is the power of x? A by b, which is nothing but to the power 1 by 2 of n minus r into, we can ignore the 3. 3 can be ignored because it depends upon the a value and the b value, or how we substitute the uh, a and b value. Okay, it doesn't matter. So here I guess we get 1 by 4, and here I guess it's 1 by 2. I'm writing for the whole expansion. So here n value is, here in the question they have given n is 21. Now I need to find for which term. So we need the net power of the a and b should be equal when I substitute it. Okay, that's our aim. Come on, let's think of an approach. When we solve, we should get a and b as having the same power, but we have some limitations. Here it's 1 by 2. Come on, let's, it's all about, रुको भाई रुको. Okay. Now it's n minus r here, and here it's r. Okay. So okay, I will write the a term. I will write the power of a in different form. So I can write this as br by 2. Okay, and this can be written as br by 4 into a 1 by 2 n by 2 minus r by 2 into b n minus r by 2. Okay, now since it's division, I have to subtract the power n by 2 minus r by 2 minus r by 4. What do we get from here? We get, I guess with this it will get minus 3r by 4 b n minus 2 minus I guess, once again, can you guys, I made a mistake. It was supposed to be r by 2 minus plus r by 2. I think this is r. I think I think I think that's BR minus into A to the power n by 2 minus 3R by 4. So we can find the value of R from here easily. We we need to equate them. N by 2 minus 3R by 4 is equal to R. Okay. Now don't you think that if I bring it here, it will become 3n by 2 is equal to 7R by 4. If I cancel it like this, 3 into 21 into 2, since they are given the value of n, we substitute a value of n, and this is nothing but 3, 9, 18 और 18 हम गलती कर दिया क्योंकि 18 हमारा ऑप्शंस में there is no 18 in the option. 18 in the options, we have done some mistake. You understood the approach, right? Important thing is the approach. We have done some calculation mistake. This was supposed to be, wait a second. Here it's 1 by 2 to the power n. Okay. And here it's 1 by 2 R by 2, and if I take to the separately, it will become durable. Then I just subtracted, and it is like actually it was supposed to be 5 minus 5. It was supposed to be minus 5. So minus 5, it was supposed to be minus 5. N by 2 minus 5R by 4. Wait, I guess no, we did correct. Then where did we go wrong? R minus n. Okay, this is correct. V wala power is correct. N by 2, if I transfer this to the top, I guess it was supposed to be 18th. Acha. 19th term means I got how much? N by 2 minus 3R by 4 is equal to R minus n, right? If I transfer, this is 3n by 2, which is nothing but 7R by 4. 2 gets cancelled. 3 into 2 into 21 is equal to 7R. Here 3, 6 into 2, 12. That is nothing but 13th term. 13th term is correct. And listen, it's not completed yet. We could write 13th term also as write NC 13 21, which could also be written as 20 NC what is 21 minus 13? 8. Am I correct? 8, yeah. So they could have given in the option as 8th term also. They could have given in the option that answer is 8. No. Actually, it was supposed to be 12 here. If it is 12, it is 9. Okay. They could have given in the option that answer to this question will be 9th term or 13th term. Acha. You guys, if you guys didn't understand, who did I take it as 13th term? I took it as 13th term because if this is the expansion, NC naught, this will be the first term. If this is the first term, if you observe here it is 0. Okay, so now for 13th term it will be NC 12. Understood? Here it is 12. Here we found R as 12. If R is 12, then which term it is? 13th term. So it makes sense that we always write TR plus 1, because if we want R as NCR. Understood? कुछ नहीं है, बिल्कुल आसान था क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन था. Number of dissimilar terms, okay, statements. They are given a certain statements. We have to prove which of the statements are correct. Okay, first let's solve the S1. Number of dissimilar, okay, acha, dissimilar terms of x1 plus x square x cube to the power n is 3n plus 1. Okay, if you observe carefully, I can write this in some form, right? I can write this in some form in such a way that I can reduce it further, because this is an expansion in terms of a 4. We can only solve the expansions which are in the terms of a 2. So we have to somehow convert this into 2 binomial expansion of 2. Don't you think that this is in a GP? Here first term is 1, x square x cube. It's in an increasing GP. Am I correct? No, if it is in a GP, what is the formula? X minus x to the power 4 minus 1 x to the power x minus 1 whole to the power n. Am I correct? अच्छा, I have to further simplify this. ये थोड़ा लेंथी हो जाएगा. मैं उसका थोड़ा ब्रेक डाउन, I have to break this down into simpler format. रुको भाई. चलो मैं रेस करता हूँ. ये थोड़ा it's difficult to obtain answer from this way, so I'm thinking of different way of solving. Is there any way of approaching? रुको भाई, we'll see if I have any notes on this. Okay, is it a cubic? No, we cannot use any kind of identity, can we? No. So I guess I have to use GP only. GP is the only option for us. Here the GP is the only option for us. Okay, x to the power 4 minus 1 x minus 1 all to the power n. Now can I solve this expansion? X to the power 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole to the power n. I need to, break down this further. Is it possible? Acha, x to the power 4, uh, x to the a to the power 4 minus 1, can it be factorized? Look, I will check. X to the power 4 minus 1 factorized. Acha, I can factorize this. I can factorize this. And yeah, x minus 1 will get cancelled out. We will get it as x minus 1, x plus 1, and x square plus 1. Okay, x square plus 1 divided by x minus 1. This will get cancelled. I guess we can cancel because it is a binomial expansion. I don't think it matters. I guess it's fine to cancel. Whole to the power n. Now whole to the power n x plus 1 to the power n x square plus 1 to the power n. I need to solve these expansions separately. What we have to find? We have to find the dissimilar terms. It doesn't matter here, one can be ignored. It is actually made a simpler. You get x square x to n plus we are ignoring c naught. We are ignoring the fractional part. Dissimilar. Okay. Look. Dissimilar terms means power of terms is different. Okay, power of the terms is different. X square and x are different. Okay, this is an example of it. So if I expand this, x to the power n plus x to the power n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 2 plus x to the power n minus 3, so on x to the power 0, which is nothing but 1. And here comma so on x to the power 0. No, we won't get it as 0. Actually, we won't. Yeah, our last term itself is x square. So now how do I find the number of dissimilar terms out of this? I need to multiply these and thoda complicated हो जाएगा. So I guess we need some idea. Let me check YouTube. Let me check the solution for this. Okay, रुको. I'm also it's fine to check solutions for sometimes because we have to ensure that whether we are in the correct order, because I'm not an experienced even I'm a newbie and I'm trying to solve maths as a part-time job. I'm not a aspirant though. Okay. Now consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. रुको भाई. Consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. Number of dissimilar terms in the expansion of okay. There should be a valid explanation.
डाउटनट और एलन हैं अब एक साथ आपके सपने को देने के लिए नई उड़ान।
Doubtnut, they need to. Or a firm is solving the different question. My bad. It's actually solving the different question. Okay. I mean, actually, the solution is for a particular kind of questions are limited. It's actually there is an new need of a revolution. Acha, resonance. Okay. So we'll just copy paste these to the chat GPT or 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 perplexity. Okay, you know what? Let's solve this question later. Remind me to solve the second question. We'll solve it later because it's needs little bit of conceptual practice and I'm not still competent of it. So let's move on to the third question. Okay, NCR plus 4, NCR plus 1 plus 6 in NCR plus 2. If I observe that it is increasing R plus 1 to R plus 2, so I expect it to be okay, but here it is getting to NCR plus 3, NCR plus 4. And in the denominator we have NCR plus 1, NCR plus 2 plus NCR plus 3. And this expansion, when we further solve this into a simpler matter, we get an expansion which in this manner, and they are asking us to find the value of a k. They are asking us to find the value of k. We need to find the value of k. Am I correct? Definitely we need to find the value of k. Go 1 second, I will just check whether the stream is going on or not. So further solve this into a simpler matter, we get an expansion which in this manner, and they are asking us to find the value of a k. They are asking us to find the value of k. We need to find the value of k. Am I correct? Definitely we need to find the value of k. Go 1 second, I will just check whether the stream is going on or not. Yeah, it's definitely fine. It's going on well. Okay, let's continue the grind. Okay, so ये हमारा expansion था. Now we have to solve this in yeah, I was speaking about that. Here it's increasing from r to r plus 1 to r plus 2 and to r plus 3 to r plus 4, and here it is so same manner. But if I see the constant term, here it was 1, here it became 4, here it became 6. Out of the five terms, the sixth. But I don't think it's gonna help us for now. The most importantly, I have to think of using some kind of property. Ruko. There must be some kind of manner where I could apply the property. 1 second. I'm just checking through the notes. R minus 1 r plus 1, here it will become 3r plus 2, and that will become m plus 1 by c, and that would become 3, that would become r plus 1, I guess. Okay, I got an idea. I got some kind of idea. I guess I'll give it a try. Okay, just let me try. Okay, I'm going to attempt my, like, I don't think it's gonna work, but why not? Let's try. So I got an idea, right? It's why am I getting arrows? Okay, see, NCR, we have NCR here whose coefficient is 1, and here we have 4CR plus 1 whose coefficient is 4, and here we have 6NCR plus 2, right? No, let's go with the first term. Ah, fuck. Oh my god, damn. I need to get a fucking new PC, man. I need to get a new PC. This is lagging. Oh yeah, we could use the property of where NCR minus 1 plus NCR can be written as N plus 1. You understood? One second. Guys, It has been 1 hour since I started the stream. Okay. Bro, something is wrong. Oh, 1 second. Let me try to fix this shit real quick. So yeah, we could use that property. We'll get 3c. We can write 4c r plus 1 as you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna manage. Oh shit. Lost the whole track of it. Bro, where did it disappear? Oh fuck! We fucking lost it. Never mind, doesn't matter. Now it's gonna run smooth. I will write the question again. No matter. It's fine. We can write the question again. 1 second, let me wear the gloves. My handpiece. Actually, wait a minute, chat. Sorry, my bad, sir. I just went to, it's actually cold right here. I just went to, wear jacket. Wait a second. Okay. Yeah, we were discussing about that problem. Let's try to solve it. So what was the question? Okay. The question was like NCR 4 NCR plus 1 by okay 6 NCR plus 2 4 NC okay NCR plus 3 NCR plus 4 okay divided by whole divided by NCR plus 3 NCR plus 1 3 NCR plus 2 3 NCR plus 3. Now I feel like my idea is that I can write this as NCR plus 1 plus 3. I'm just going to write it because we already wasted some amount of time. 3 NCR plus 2. I guess this might work because I'm seeing some sort of a pattern. I'm seeing some sort of pattern right here. 3 NCR plus 3 plus NCR plus 3 plus NCR plus 4. So this was some sort of pattern we could observe here. Alright. What is this? M plus 1 CR R plus 1 plus this could be written as n plus 1 C R plus, yeah, I guess something will get cancelled. Yeah, definitely this is durable. This is durable method. So here 3, I'm just gonna take 3 common. This is the common, and here we will get CR plus 2. We wrote it in terms of something which is common, right? N plus 1 CR plus R plus 2. Here also 3, and here again plus, here nothing, we are taking common as m plus 1 CR plus 4. Now is there anything which we can do with this form? So basically nothing, actually nothing else. You are stuck. You're basically stuck. I don't think this is the actual solution. Let me check the solution. Okay, we need some kind of initiation. NCR plus 4 NCR. Yeah. We will solve this. Actually, I'm not gonna check those not. You are actually annoying this. Oh fuck, we don't have any kind of option. Wait, let me check this. Okay, different question. Yeah, this was the thing. Let me just move this.
Doubtnut or Alan?
I know it's coming. But, is this actually too high? Okay. Okay. We actually were in the correct approach. Not bad. No. Okay. We were doing good. Okay, the further simplified it. Okay. I understand. Let me just. Okay, this question is actually lengthy, but we can solve this. Okay, let's continue. M plus, what did we get? CR plus 1, N plus 1 CR plus 2, 2 N C M plus 1 CR plus 2, CR plus 3, R plus 4. Now this can be written in the form of M plus 2 CR plus 2, and this can be written in the form of 2 into, it's actually decreasing, CR plus 3 plus and plus it we had 4 terms and it became 3 terms. I think by the next cycle it might become even less, n plus 2 cr plus 4. Now yeah, we'll get it as cr plus 3 plus m plus 3 cr plus 4, and we can write these as n plus 4 cr plus 4. Okay, this is the numerator. Now हमारा काम है to solve let me take a screenshot of denominator and we can solve it here. Let me just place it here. Okay, let's solve the denominator. We had ncr plus ncr plus 1, which could be written, I'm just gonna write directly because we already m plus 1 cr plus 1 plus 2 nc cm plus 1 r plus 2 ncr plus 3. Now this further could be written as m plus 2 cr plus 2 and m plus 2 cr plus 3, which could be further written as m plus 4 cr plus 4. Okay, now हमारा काम, this is 3. Okay, now we have to just divide it. I'll just write it in the form of a factorial divided by m plus 4 minus r. This will get cancelled and we will get n minus r factorial m plus 4 factorial into r plus 4 factorial. This is nothing but ncr plus 4. Okay, actually we were writing it little bit big. One second. Never mind. Okay, from next question onwards we will just, okay, n plus, what did you get, m plus 4 cr plus 4 divided by m plus 3 cr plus 4, which can be written as m plus 4 factorial n minus r factorial n factorial r plus 4 factorial divided by m plus 3 factorial n minus r factorial r plus 4 factorial gets cancelled, and here we have, what do we have, m plus 4 divided by, I guess the value of k is 4. Yeah, I guess there is no need of solving. Yeah, I'm absolutely correct. It's 4. Is the answer 4? Let me check. Option C, yes, we got the correct answer. So not bad. This question was pretty decent. It was about, the whole question was about how you manipulate and how you start the question. Yeah, nothing else. The question wasn't hard. but it was little bit lengthy to come in JEE mains or advanced, but it could come in advanced. Advanced is anything can come in advanced. However, I am not a JEE aspirant, so I don't give a fuck about it. I'm just preparing by myself. 1 plus 21, 1 plus x whole to the power 22, plus so on. Moving to the question number 4 of the resonance module exercise 2. We are going to solve this expansion and so on. It continues till 1 plus x to the power 30. We have to find the coefficient of x to the power 8. So 8, I need 8. So from the beginning, which term is it? Which term does it belong to? From the beginning it belongs to, from the beginning it belongs to m plus 1 r minus 1 the term. Okay, it belongs to this term. So I need to manipulate. Okay, okay. Here, for the first scenario, we have n as 21. Okay, we have n as 21. Actually, yeah, no, it's correct. Minus plus 1, which is 7, and we will get it as 14th term. So basically 20c 14. We have to add them. It doesn't matter. It's बहुत आसान है question. 22 minus, we will get it as 15th term. That is number. Actually, this is 15. This is 16th term, which is number 22c15. 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 And so on. If we keep on continuing, it will at a point 30 minus 8 plus 1. We get it as 24. C 24. So the problem is here I added plus 9, it became it was supposed to be 25, no? Actually, we get it as we get it as 23. Okay, yeah. So if we add plus 9, we are going to get it. So it is basically in the form of it's basically in the form of NCR plus n plus 1 CR plus 1, n plus 2 CR plus 2, n plus 3 CR plus 3, so on. I need to find the value of this. It is in this format. So how do I approach? I have seen this format somewhere. We have seen it. We need to think in a proper manner. Okay. First term and I wish it was 4C naught. It's not even 4C naught also. But are we getting the difference same? Are we getting the difference same? Yes. N minus R factorial. You understand what I'm trying to say? Here, if I can write this as n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. In case of this, it will be n plus 1 factorial divided by n minus r factorial, and this will be r plus 1 factorial. So 21C14 plus 21 by C14, actually not bad. We can solve like that also. Let's see how did it solve. The coefficient of x. Acha, they were asking to the x to the fuck. I did a mistake. Okay. 1 second. I am gonna. I have something. 1 second. 1 second. Let me just make myself. term and so it's basically in the form of NCR plus n plus 1 CR plus 1 n plus 2 CR plus 2 n plus 3 CR plus 3 so on. I need to find the value of this. It is in this format. So how do I approach? I have seen this format somewhere. Think we have seen it. We need to think in a proper manner. X whole to the power 22 belongs to m plus 1 r minus 1 the term. Okay, it belongs to this term. So I need to manipulate. Okay, okay. Here, for the first scenario, we have n as 21. Okay, we have n as 21. Actually, yeah, no, it's correct. Minus plus 1, which is 7, and we will get it as 14th term. 14th term. So basically 20c 14. We have to add them. It doesn't matter. It's बहुत आसान है question. 22 minus we will get it as 15th term. That is number. Actually, this is 15. This is 16th term, which is number 22c15. Never mind. Okay. From next question onwards, we will just okay. N plus, what did you get? M plus 4 CR plus 4 divided by M plus 3 CR plus 4, which can be written as M plus 4 factorial N minus R factorial N factorial R plus 4 factorial divided by M plus 3 factorial N minus R factorial R plus 4 factorial gets cancelled, and here oh, hello, I'm audible. Yeah, I'm back, chat. So we can continue the stream, but the problem is I need to zoom. It's 1 a.m. and I was expected to be at bed by 1 a.m. But it's okay. You understood this question, right? We are supposed to find the sum of all these terms. I guess you can further manipulate and solve this. You know, it is easy. You can do it. But you understood the main idea, right? This was the main idea. They were asking for the coefficient of x to the power 8, and or they could ask for x to the power 5. Since here it occupied y term and this was in x term will come in the first and y term will come from at the last. If we go from 0 1, it will be at the ninth term from the ending. It will be at the ninth term, which is where r is equal to 8 from the end. If r is equal to 8 from the end, it will be at n minus r plus 1, the term from the beginning. So this was the scenario, and yeah, we approached it in this manner and we solved it. Yeah, we will do a similar kind of question. We will do a similar kind of, yeah, completely similar. x to the power 52. We have to find the coefficient of x to the power 52 in the expansion. X second रुको, let me show. Okay, x to the power 5 summation 100 m is equal to 0 100 cm x minus 300 minus m 2m. Okay, this is in the form of an expansion. They are asking for the so I guess we'll just expand it. Guys, we'll continue this tomorrow. Actually tomorrow I'll be free, we can continue this by tomorrow. I actually need a slide and have some practical exam tomorrow, so we continue by the next class. Thank you guys. I'm sorry, but yeah, we did a decent progress for today.